This is my outfit. This is why I'm leaving the house. It's 9 degrees. And here's what I'm wearing. The jacket is McGregor. It's from the 70s. The sweater vest is from Brooks Brothers, 60s. Land's End, I believe it's from the 90s. And then Double RL from an estate sale. But these are modern. And the belt here is from Polo. You may have heard of it. It's a small American brand, and I don't know how old it is, but I got it at an estate sale. And that's my outfit. Everything here is probably like, I don't know. I'll do the math, it'll be there.